Most women today underestimate the importance of following a good moisturizing routine and fail to realize the difference it can make to their skin in the long run. So today, we're going to reveal 4 different ways to keep your skin moisturized and hydrated all through the year. The best way to replenish your skin during a midday slump is to rehydrate it with either your regular moisturizer or keep an energizing facial mist handy. You can customize one for yourself by mixing equal parts of coconut water and aloe vera juice. Add a few drops of sweet almond oil to it and mix well. Spritz this tropical concoction whenever your skin craves for some extra moisture to rehydrate and balance your skin's pH levels. Some products that we use while washing your face or while showering may leave the skin feeling slippery and sticky, or some may even strip the skin of its natural moisture and dry it out further. This leads us to believe that our skin hasn't been cleansed thoroughly. One of the hydrating bathing products that we decided to try out is Dove's Bathing Bar. This is one of those bathing products that we associate with when dry skin is the cause of concern, and with good reason too. It comprises of 1/4 moisturizing cream, which works like a cream as well as a cleanser, leaving the skin soft, supple and smooth after every shower. Less effort and more benefits. Excessive washing, use of harsh products, rising temperature and pollution strip the skin of its natural oils, making it susceptible to various concerns such as acne, dry skin, roughness, etc. Organic oils such as coconut oil, jojoba oil or olive oil are great for keeping your skin moisturized. They repair the natural layers of the skin by penetrating deep into it and also create a barrier to shield the upper layers of it from losing excess moisture. Massaging these oils on your body helps soothe any skin inflammation and increases blood circulation, which not only keeps the skin plump and moisturized but also tones the body. Dabbing a tad bit of one of these oils on your face also works wonders for dry and damaged skin. Organic oils are packed with anti-aging, antioxidant and hydrating ingredients that nourish and condition your skin from the inside out. Invest in a good diffuser or a humidifier to maintain optimal moisture levels in the air around you. A humidifier may not make it to your everyday necessity list, but believe it or not, the current pollution situation makes this tool as essential as an air conditioner is in the summers. Just pour some water and add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to it and leave it on for about an hour. This releases humid air in your surroundings within a short span and helps restore moisture back into your skin, making it look beautiful the next day. The list of culprits that can cause skin damage is very long. But just by following these 4 simple tips, you can control the damage and rejuvenate your skin in no time. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.